and Laura both asked, can you charge more if your preschool is unique? And what ways can you make your preschool unique? I love this question. I could literally speak on this topic for days because hashtag more than just preschool is my jam. I love it. Anytime I can teach you about how to over deliver to your preschool families, I just want to talk forever, but we'll try to keep this a little bit shorter. Anytime that you're trying to figure out how can you give more value to your preschool parents, you can think about what kind of specialty can you add to your preschool to make it unique, right? Like if you think about all the preschools that are around, you got the free preschools, those are not your competition. You've got Head Start, not your competition. The people who will go to those preschools will never pay premium price for your preschool program. Now, in your premium preschool program, that's a lot of P's, how can you actually make it the best? I always like to have my preschool be centered around some kind of theme. So one of my friends, Rita Farina, her preschool is a STEM-based preschool, and she focuses everything on that. Another of my friends, Lorena, she does a preschool with child yoga, which is super cool, right? Something super unique. She also takes professional photos of the students during their preschool activities. How exciting would that be as a parent to be able to get amazing pictures of your kiddo at school time, for their fall portraits, different fun things like that. So she can add those value services to her preschool as well. Any other opportunities that you can add to theme your preschool, make it super specific. Some people like to do a Reggio preschool or a Waldorf preschool or a Montessori preschool or a bilingual preschool. Guys, anything that you can add is going to be adding value to your preschool. So what does that mean? If you add more value, you can raise your tuition. Oh, don't mind me. I was just flipping through my new book called Start Your Preschool. I want to get you a free copy in your hands. Here's the deal. If you want to start a preschool, there is no better resource for you than my new book. Over 300 pages teaching you exactly how to start your preschool, the exact steps I took to start my preschool, the exact steps I teach everyone. The thousands of women who've started successful preschools have gone through this book. I can't wait to get it in your hands. Simply go to freepreschoolbook.com or click the link in the description and I will get you your copy today. Super excited. Now go get your book. What are you waiting for? In my own preschool, I've had experiences where I've had teachers who had different specialties. I had a teacher who knew sign language. I had a teacher who knew Spanish. And so definitely when I was talking about my preschool program, I was adding that into our curriculum. Your child will learn sign language. Your child will learn Spanish. Do you see what we're doing? Anytime that your preschool program can have more cool things added to the curriculum, do it, especially if you are a theme-based preschool. Now, do note that if you're a Montessori or something like that, I don't know, maybe there's supposed to be a certification that happens before you can call yourself Montessori, or maybe you're like a Montessori, so you don't have to have that certification. But definitely add that if that's something that you truly value. My personal favorite curriculum is actually creative curriculum. So if you don't know anything about that, go check out creative curriculum. You can search it on Amazon. It is the book that has a purplish blue cover. It is my favorite book of all time. And it's literally the one thing that helped me learn developmentally appropriate practice and really get my knowledge going in the early childhood education world. So if preschool teaching is new to you, go check out the creative curriculum. That is also the curriculum that all the Head Start teachers use. And honestly, those are some of the best teachers that I've ever hired in my preschool, are Head Start teachers. So at our preschool, we actually have a blend of a lot of different curriculums. We use my fundamentals preschool curriculum, we use creative curriculum, we use some high scope, but honestly, my teachers, they bring in a blend of everything. So I personally don't have a specific theme of curriculum, but I also love handwriting without tears. So our preschool has a blend of all those different curriculums because it's whatever our teacher specializes in, that's what those students get. And I love to be able to allow our teachers to teach the way that they want to teach. I don't micromanage them. I give them the assessment criteria and I say, if a student is here, I want them here by the end of the school year. And of course, there's different developmental continuum rubrics that I have for my assessment toolkit. but it definitely helps the teachers to know how to get from point A to point Z over here. And so whenever you're trying to think about which curriculum you should follow, learn about them, figure out which ones resonate with you. And if you don't like Reggio, don't do a Reggio preschool just because you heard it's the rage or it's the one that everybody wants to go to. So be thinking about the different preschools in your area, get behind a curriculum that you love. And in other videos, I'll definitely talk about hashtag more than just preschool, so you can find more things that you can add value to your preschool program. Post in the comments below, what kind of curriculum do you like to follow? What are the philosophies that you lean into and that you truly support? I'd love to know, post in the comments. And as always, please comment, like, subscribe, and share so I can get more of these videos to you.